These days, one very common question among students is, can we actually study management from an IIT right after class 12th? And if yes, what is the admission process, what is the eligibility criteria, and most importantly, is it really worth it? तो आज के वीडियो में हम उन सारे सवालों का आंसर्स देखने वाले हैं as we are talking about a very unique and future focused program, IIT Mandi's 5-year integrated MBA, also known as IMBA. Hi guys and welcome to Supergrads channel. I am Akanksha and in this video, as I said, we are going to cover everything about IIT Mandi IMBA, eligibility, admission process, curriculum and career scope. सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन IIT मंडी की ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से ही पिक की हुई है, सो नो assumptions, only verified facts. Let's get started. First, let's understand what this program actually is. So basically, IIT Mandi's IMBA is a 5-year integrated management program, as I said, where students receive 2 degrees. After the first 3 years, आपको BBA का analytics degree मिलती है, BBA in analytics degree, and after completing the full 5 years, you receive MBA in data science and artificial intelligence. So basically, you are getting a full BBA plus MBA pathway directly right after your class 12th. और सबसे इंटरेस्टिंग और इम्पोर्टेंट फैक्ट, IIT Mandi is the first IIT in India to introduce a full-fledged integrated MBA program. Now, the next obvious question, what makes this program so special जिसके बारे में हम इतना बात कर रहे हैं? Traditional BBA program mostly focuses on management subjects, but IIT Mandi IMBA has a very different approach. ये combination है कुछ इन सब चीज़ों का, which is management education, data science, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस और बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स एंड इन सिंपल वर्ड्स ये प्रोग्राम आपको टेक्नोलॉजी अवेयर बिजनेस लीडर बनाता है. लेट्स नाउ टॉक अबाउट व्हाट यू विल एक्चुअली स्टडी. सो करिकुलम देखिए तो फर्स्ट 3 years में यू फोकस ऑन बिल्डिंग अ स्ट्रॉन्ग फाउंडेशन इन मैनेजमेंट फंडामेंटल्स. ऑफ कोर्स इसमें आपको मैथमेटिक्स और स्टैटिस्टिक्स जैसे सब्जेक्ट्स भी पढ़ने के मिलते हैं एंड एनालिटिक्स की बेसिक्स पढ़ने को मिलते हैं, कम्युनिकेशन सीखते हैं, सॉफ्ट स्किल्स सीखते हैं. देन in the last 2 years the focus shifts to advanced areas like artificial intelligence for business, machine learning application, financial and marketing analytics, deep learning and decision system. So overall the curriculum is designed to be very practical and industry oriented. Another big advantage of this program is flexibility. तो ये प्रोग्राम काफ़ी flexible है. अगर किसी स्टूडेंट को कंटिन्यू नहीं करना है for 5 whole years for any reason, तो after 5 years you can exit with a BBA Analytics degree. After 4 years you can exit with a BBA Analytics Honours degree. So there is a clear safety net which reduces the academic risk significantly. Now let's come to the most important section, which is the eligibility criteria. So to apply for IIT Mandi's IMBA program, you must have passed your class 12th with a minimum of 75% marks for the general category, 5 साल का relaxation for reserve category, which is 65% aggregate. Maths और English यहाँ पे compulsory subjects हो जाते हैं 12th में. और सबसे critical requirement है, you must appear for JEE Mains Paper 1. एडमिशन शॉर्टलिस्टिंग इज कम्प्लीटली बेस्ड ऑन JEE मेंस परफॉर्मेंस, तो आपको ये वाला टेस्ट तो देना ही पड़ेगा. अब एडमिशन प्रोसेस की अगर हम लोग बात करें तो इट इज सिंपल बट स्टिल वेरी कंपेटिटिव. तो स्टेप 1 है शॉर्टलिस्टिंग बेस्ड ऑन JEE मेन स्कोर, एज आई सेड. स्टेप 2 इज पर्सनल इंटरव्यू राउंड. फाइनल सिलेक्शन वेटेज भी क्लियरली डिफाइंड है, जहां पर 70% वेटेज दिया जाता है JEE मेंस के स्कोर को एंड 30% वेटेज टू पर्सनल इंटरव्यू. Now, as I said, both academic aptitude and communication skills play a major role. दोनों ही यहाँ पे बहुत ही ज़्यादा टेस्ट किए जाते हैं, तो दोनों के लिए आपको प्रिपेयर करना होगा. Another important detail जिस पे हम आते हैं, जिसके बारे में हम बात करने वाले हैं, वो है सीट इनटेक. तो IIT मंडी का IMBA has total of 72 seats, which means competition is very high. Now, coming to the most important question, which is career scope. तो ये प्रोग्राम परस्यू करके आपका करियर क्या है? Graduates of this program can build career in fields like business analytics, consulting, product management, data science roles, AI driven business strategy, of course, क्योंकि AI का specialization आपको मिल रहा है, and of course you can move into entrepreneurship. The program is specifically designed to prepare students for future-ready technology-driven business careers. जैसा आपने देखा, इन सारे careers में आप जा सकते हैं. Now let's quickly summarize. You get an IIT brand degree. You get a direct BBA plus MBA pathway. You study cutting-edge areas like AI and data science. You have flexible exit options, and admission is based on JEE mains का performance. So in simple words, this is a next generation management program. Amazingly designed by the management themselves. आप बात करें अगर किन लोगों के लिए ये suitable है, तो if you are somebody who wants an IIT degree right after your class 12th, or you're interested in combining management with technology, or if you want to build career into analytics, AI driven industry or consultancy, तो ये आपके लिए बेस्ट सूट है.
But before we move on and conclude our session, I would like to nudge all those aspirants जो IP MAT की तैयारी कर रहे हैं और उनका लास्ट लेग स्ट्रेच करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और उनके पास नियरली 30 दिन या 1 महीना ही बचा है. So this is our very very infamous plus important crucial course that we have recently launched, जिसका नाम है IPM Master Course. यहाँ पे आपको 33 क्लासेस मिलती हैं, जहाँ पे आपके सारे सेक्शंस कवर होते हैं. 5 days in a week की ये क्लास लगती है, as you can see, Monday to Friday. And I think this is one last chance that you can give to yourself before you appear for your final IP MAT exam. Don't wait up, अभी register करो.
Now, this was everything that you needed to know about IIT Mandi's IMBA program. I really hope that you like this video. अगर आपके कोई questions हैं, तो you're more than welcome to drop in our comment section, and we will be glad to resolve them all. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.